Hello बच्चों, in this session we will discuss the most important 2 marks questions from parabola. In this question, given that equation of parabola is given equation of the parabola is y square equal to 2x. Let us compare this with standard form of the parabola y square equal to 4x. So when I compare, we'll get 4a equal to 2, a equal to 2 by 4, a equal to 1 by 2. Let us take a point P x1 y1 on the parabola y square equal to 2x. Now if the point x1 y1 lies on the parabola y square equal to 2x, so we can take it as y1 square equal to 2x1. Let us take this as equation 1. Now given that the focal distance is 5 by 2, now the formula used to find the focal distance is x1 plus a equal to 5 by 2. Now this is the formula used to find the focal distance. Now x1 as it is plus the value of a is already we know it is 1 by 2. Let me take 1 by 2 here equal to 5 by 2. Now let us take plus 1 by 2 to RHS. X equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So x equal to 2, 5 minus 1. So x will be like 4 by 2. So this is x1, right? Okay. 1s are 2s are. So x1 equal to 2. Now what I'll do here, I'll take x1 and I'll substitute in equation x1 in equation 1. So here first equation is y1 square equal to x1. So let me take y1 square equal to 2x1 and substitute the x1 value in this equation. So y1 square equal to 2 into 2. So y1 square equal to 4. So y1 equal to square is shifted this side. So we'll get plus or minus 4. So y1 equal to plus or minus 2. So y1 will be 2 or minus 2. So we have two values for y. So our required coordinates are required points are x1 y1. So in a sense, so first I'll take x1. The value of x1 is 2. For x1, first let me take 2. So 2 comma 2, and even we have for x1 even I'll take the minus 2 also. So 2 comma minus 2. So 2 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 2 are the required points. Let us do one more similar question. So in this question, equation of the parabola is given as y square equal to 8x. So let us compare this with standard form of parabola for y square equal to 4x. So when I compare, we'll get 4a equal to 8, a equal to 8 by 4, 4 ones and 4 twos. The value of a is 2. Now let us take a point P x1 y1 on the given parabola y square equal to 8x. At the point P x1 y1 lies on y1 the parabola y square equal to 8x. So we can take it as y1 square equal to 8x1. Let us take it as equation 1. We'll take it as equation 1. Now as per the question, the focal distance is 10. So the formula used to find the focal distance is x1 plus a equal to 10. So x1 plus the value of a already we know it is 2. So let me take 2 here equal to 10. Now shifting this plus to that side, we'll get x1 equal to 10 minus 2. x1 equal to we'll get 8. So x1 equal to 8. Now so let us substitute x1 in equation 1. Our equation 1 is y1 square equal to 8x1. So y1 square equal to 8x1. So y1 square equal to 8 into the value of x1 is 8. So let me take 8 here. So y1 square equal to 8 into 8 64. So y1 equal to plus or minus root of 64. So y1 equal to plus or minus 8. So y1 will be 8 or minus 8. So we have two values for y. So therefore required points are x1 y1, nothing but the first I'll take x1 as 8 comma the y value is 8, again 8 comma the y value second value will take like minus 8. So here the required points are 8 comma 8 or 8 comma minus 8. In this question, one end of the focal chord is given as 1 by 2 comma 2 and we need to find other end of the focal chord. So what is focal chord? Focal chord is nothing but a chord passing through focus of a parabola is called focal chord. Now let us take a parabola. Here we'll take a parabola and the S is the focus. A chord passing through this focus is called focal chord. Let us take a chord PQ which is passing through S. So PQ is here, PQ is nothing but here focal chord. Now if P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2, then the condition is x1 into x2 is a square and y1 into y2 is equal to minus 4a square. If x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the endpoints of the focal chord, then I can use the condition x1 into x2 equal to a square, y1 into y2 is equal to minus 4a square. No, so I'll be using these conditions to get the second point of the focal chord. So as per the question, equation of the parabola is y square equal to 8x. Now let me compare this with standard form y square equal to 4ax. So when I compare these two parabolas, my 4a equal to 8. Now 4 is shifted this side. So a equal to 8 by 4, 4 ones and 4 twos. The value of a is 2. Now given that one end point of the focal chord is 1 by 2 comma 2. So let me take this point as x1 y1. So x1 y1 equal to 1 by 2 comma 2. So other endpoint is x2 y2. So I'll use this condition here, this condition to get the other end. So x1 into x2 equal to a square. So y1 into y2 equal to minus 4a square. The value of x1 is 1 by 2. So let me take 1 by 2 here into the value of x2. I don't know. Let me take x2 equal to the value of a is 2. So we'll get here 2 square. So 1 by 2 into x2 is 2 into 2 4. 2 is shifted this side. So x2 equal to 4 into 2. So x2 equal to the 4 into 2 is 8. Now let's go for second point, this second condition. So y1 is nothing but here the value of y1 is 2 into y2 equal to minus 4 into the value of a is 2. So we'll take 2 square here. So 2 into y2 equal to minus 4 into 4. So y2 equal to minus 16 by 2. 2 ones and 2 eights. So y2 equal to minus 8. So therefore other end of the focal chord is, that is x2 y2 is 8 comma minus 8. In this question, given that the line 2y equal to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 6x, we need to find the value of k. So here it is to be noted that if a line y equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4x, then we can use a condition C equal to A by M. So this is a condition used when a given line is tangent to the given parabola. Now in the given question, the equation of parabola is y square equal to 6x. So let me take this equation 1. Now this is compared with y square equal to 4ax. So then we'll get 4a equal to 6, a equal to 6 by 4, 2 2's and 2 3's. So the value of a is 3 by 2. Also given equation of the tangent is 2y equal to 5x plus k. Now 2 is shifted this side. So y equal to 5x plus k by 2. So this can be written as y equal to 5 by 2x plus k by 2. Now this is compared, this equation 2. Now this is compared with y equal to mx plus c. The value of m is 5 by 2. The value of c is k by 2. Now given here, as per the question, given that 2 is tangent to the 1. So therefore I can use the condition C equal to A by M. Let me put the values. The value of C is k by 2. So you'll get k by 2 here. The value of A. The value of A is 3 by 2. So let us take 3 by 2 divided by the value of M is 5 by 2. Let me take 5 by 2. Now 2 we can cancel. So we have like k by 2 equal to 3 by 5. Go for cross multiplication. K into 5 equal to 3 into 2. So k into 5 equal to 6. The value of k is 6 by 5.